Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. What is day today? Today is Friday, 15 January 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is polygons. Today we will learn definition of polygons. So students, open your notebooks and maintain your pages. The margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write here classwork Friday, 15th January, 2021. Our topic is definitions of polygons and exercise is define these. Underline it with colors. After that write polygons. What is polygons? Poly means many. Poly means many. Shapes which have belongs to the family of polygon. So students, poly means many. Shapes which have many sides belongs to the family of polygon. Okay, which have many sides belongs to the family of polygon. Its number one is pentagon. Penta is the Greek word for 5. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Penta is the Greek word for 5. It has 5 sides. Look at these sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. So again revise. Penta is the Greek word for 5. Penta is the Greek word for 5. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. So penta means 5. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Next is hexagon. Hexagon. Hex is the Greek word for 6. Hex is the Greek word for 6. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. Look at these shapes. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many corners? Let's count its corners or vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. Hex is the Greek word for 6. Hex is the Greek word for 6. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. So it is the shape of hexagon which has 6 sides and 6 corners. Next is octagon. Octa is the Greek word for 8. Octa is the Greek word for 8. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Octa is the Greek word for 8. Look at this shape. It has 8 sides. How many sides? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 sides and now how many corners? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. So octa is the Greek word for 8. Octa means 8. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. So students, these definitions are very easy and simple. Penta means 5. Penta means 5. Hexa means 6. And octa means 8. So students, look at these shapes. These 3 shapes have more than 4 sides and it belongs to the family of polygons. And the shapes which have 4 sides are called quadrilaterals, as we have learned yesterday. The shapes which have 4 sides are called quadrilaterals. And the shapes which have many sides belongs to the family of polygons, as poly means many. Okay, it has many sides. Look at this, it's 5 sides, it's 6 sides, and octa have 8 sides. So these all shapes belongs to the family of polygons. Poly means many, and shapes which have many sides are called polygons. Okay, next, first one is pentagon. Penta is the Greek word for 5. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Hex is the Greek word for 6. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. And octa is the Greek word for 8. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Octa is the Greek word for 8. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. And all these shapes belongs to the family of polygons. So students, this is your today's work. You will write it on your notebooks and also learn this definition. Okay, do your work in a neat handwriting and also learn it. And you also have to draw or paste the shapes with their definitions. Okay, write and learn these definitions. Students, now open your countdown books. Students, open chapter number 4. It's exercise 4, page number 130. Okay, students, prepare this exercise for your test, which I will take from you on Monday. Okay, as we have already revised it. So question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Dash 5 rupee coins make rupees 20. How many 5 rupee coins make rupees 20? Read the table of 5. 5 fours are 20, so it's 4. It means 4 5 rupee coins make rupees 20. 200 paise make dash rupees. It's 2 rupees because in 1 rupee there is 100 paisas and in 2 rupees there is 200 paisas. Now rupees 64 minus rupees 30 is equal to rupees dash. As always, start from the one side. So subtract 4 minus 0, it's 4, and 6 minus 3, it's 3. So the answer is rupees 34. 5 50 paisa coins make rupees 2.50. It's 2 rupees and 50 paisas. Okay. Now rupees 23 and 45 paisa is written as rupees 23.45. When we put a point, it means first value is rupees and the point value which is after point is paisas. So it's 23 rupees and 45 paisas. State whether the following are true or false. Rupees 85 and rupees 15 makes rupees 90 altogether. No, it's false. It's not make 90. Next is rupees 1 to 50 and 55 paisas can be written as rupees 150.55. Yes, it is true because it's rupees and it is paisas. So after point it is 55 paisas. So yes, it is true. Rupees 12.55 multiplied by 2 is equal to 251.0. No, it's false. Rupees 64.70 is equal to 6470 paisas. Yes, it is true. 2690 paisas is equal to rupees 26.90. Yes, it's also true because look at this, it's 26 rupees and 90 paisas. After that, you will revise question number 3. Practice question number 8. Add these. And question number 9. So this is your homework. You will prepare test for Monday and also write and learn definitions of polygons. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.